Hi, welcome to Partido College. I'm RJ Hobe, and I will be your instructor in Physical Education 1.
Good day! This is RJ Hove, and we are going to talk about physical fitness test. In this lesson, we are going to identify the different tests that measures physical fitness and perform those tests to measure one's fitness. But before we proceed, let's have a review of the purpose of fitness test. So meron po tayong tatlong purpose ng fitness test. Number one is to identify the fitness deficiencies of individuals. So dito, sa pamamagitan ng pag-conduct natin ng fitness test ay malalaman natin kung ano ba yung mga deficiencies ng ating mga estudyante. And then, to establish a baseline for general fitness level of the class in physical education. So ito nga po. So malalaman din natin sa pamamagitan ng physical fitness test kung ano na ba yung general level of fitness ng mga estudyante natin sa PE and to set a goal to achieve a higher level of fitness. So ito po, sa pamamagitan ng pag-identify natin ng fitness level ng mga estudyante, magkakaroon tayo ng idea kung ano pa ang mga dapat gawin para ma-achieve yung higher level ng fitness. Another is para makadiscover ng mga potential athletes na pwede nang mag-compete sa division, sa district, or any other sports events. Now, let's talk about the different fitness tests. First, we have the leg strength test. How do we administer the test? First, we're going to measure the height in centimeters. So dapat po, i-measure po muna ninyo yung height ninyo in centimeters. And then, after that, mark off a distance equal to your height on the floor. Magmamark po tayo ng distance na same sa ating height sa floor po. Let's say for instance, ang inyo pong height is 1.6 meters. So that is 160 centimeters. So yun din po ang imamark ninyo sa floor. And then after that, stand behind the line, bend your knees, swing your arms backward, then jump. So tatalon po kayo. Simula po doon sa other end ng inyong line na ginawa, and then towards doon sa other end po ng line. And then, you are going to measure the distance of your jump. How do we score the test? So dito po, meron tayong mga indicators na kung saan madedetermine natin ang level ng ating fitness base po doon sa distance po na ating natalon. So, let us take note po na dito, ang i-measure po natin ay yung distance po na tinalon natin away po doon sa ating height. So let's take this illustration na lang as an example. So ito pong line, let's say for instance, ito po yung line na ginawa ninyo which corresponds to your height. And then, nandito ka po. Yan. And then, after you jump, let's say for instance, nakarating ka dito. Ang i-measure lang po natin ay yung galing po dito hanggang dito. Yan. So, yan po ang i-measure natin. Yung distance galing dun sa pinakadulong end ng yung height hanggang dun sa kung saan ka po nag-stop na mag-jump. So, these are the indicators. Fair, kung ang iyo pong measure, kung ang distance po na na-measure natin ay 12 inches and below, hanggang dun sa height natin. Pag 13 inches hanggang 24 inches, good. Pag 25 inches to 37 inches, very good. And pag over 38 inches, excellent. Next is the agility test. How do we administer this test? First, draw a line on the floor. Second, stand along the side of it. Next, set your timer at 1 minute. So dapat po meron po tayong timer. And then, at the command of go, jump from side to side over the line as quickly as you can. Take note po na habang tayo ay tumatalon, keep your feet together. And after 1 minute, record the number of jumps you have completed. This test is scored based on the number of jumps that we have completed in the span of 1 minute. Kung kayo po ay nakagawa ng 145 to 159 repetitions, that is fair. If 160 to 174, good. 175 to 184, very good. And from 185 above, excellent. Next is the flexibility test. How do we administer the test? First, stand with your feet together. Then, bend down slowly without bending your knees. Third, touch your toes. And then after that, you are going to repeat procedure number 1 and 2. But this time, you are going to touch the floor with your knuckles, and touch the floor with your palms. This test is scored based on the task that you have accomplished. If you touches the toes, that is fair. If your hand touches the floor, that is good. If your hand touches the floor with the knuckles, that is very good. And if your hand touches the floor with the palm, that is excellent. Next is the hand-eye coordination test. How to administer the test? First, stand about 2 meters away from a flat wall. Then, toss a tennis ball underhand using your right hand against the wall. Then, you are going to catch the ball with your left hand and quickly toss it back to your right hand. You are going to repeat the procedure in 1 minute, and after that, you are going to record the number of times you catch the ball. This test is scored based on the number of repetitions you have done in 1 minute. If you have performed 24 repetitions and below, that is fair. If 25 to 29 repetitions, that is good. 30 to 35 repetitions is very good. And 36 repetitions above is excellent. The last is the balance test. How do we administer this test? First, you are going to stand on your toes with heels together. Then, you are going to close your eyes and hold your arms straight out in front of you. Then, you are going to raise your right leg. You are going to hold your position as long as you can without shifting your feet or opening your eyes. This test is scored based on how long you have held your position. If you have held your position for 15 to 19 seconds, that is fair. If 20 to 24 seconds, that is good. 25 to 29 seconds is very good. And if you have held your position for 30 seconds and over, that is excellent. Let's proceed to your activity. This activity is composed of 2 parts. Part 1, true or false. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Part 2, enumeration. Enumerate the 5 fitness tests discussed in this lesson. Let's apply what you have learned. Perform the fitness test stated in the lesson. Follow the instructions stated therein and record the results using the format below. Tandaan lang po natin na you are going to do the test in 3 trials. And then, ang ilalagay lang po natin dito ay yung mga indicators. Let's say for instance, in your first attempt, you got fair. So ilalagay po natin dito fair. In your second attempt sa agility, Excellent. So ilalagay po natin dito, excellent. While doing the test, please don't forget to perform warm-up exercise before taking the test and cool-down exercise after taking the test to condition your body for the movement associated with this test. And you are going to take pictures of yourself doing the test. At least one picture per activity is required, and you are going to submit the picture in hard copy together with your module, and it should be printed in short size bond paper.